Here's an idea I did a while back. Here's the thing I did on Paul's theory of the universe. I have no idea if it's actually correct. It's just a theory. I know the math is right for the most part. I made a few mistakes when I went to type it out, print it out at the library. I didn't have a computer. I mean, I did have a computer. I had a PC at the time, but I didn't have a printer. I still don't have a printer, but I have a laptop now and no desktop PC, no PC to speak of at this point in time. So anyway, the thing states here, in theory, just to clarify, at the time I wrote this, years back, to clarify, when I put in theory, I should have placed the in theory later on, but so I'll start this with because it's a fact anyway. The universe has gravity and magnetic energy that are interconnected or that coincide with the universe and anti-universe's rotation. Now we know it's a fact that the universe has gravity and magnetic energy, that are interconnected, I guess. Yes, they have a relation or relative to one another, or interconnected. Gravity has its field, and electric field has its field, and magnetic energy has its field. So anyway, just to clarify, but the thing over here, in theory, the universe has gravity and magnetic energy that are interconnected or that coincide with the universe and anti-universe's rotation, spherical rotation in parentheses. If something went wrong, or if the symmetry was somehow flawed, the universe could implode and spit back out a universe that would be in darkness. In other words, that would go back to void or be in darkness. I don't know if that's true. It's just an idea. I might have been on something. No, I'm just kidding. It's just an idea. I don't know how true that is. But here's the math that I had to support that. It had K equals dimension, M equals mass, EL equals emitted light, flashes of relative phase. Like I said, I know the math is right for the most part, even though I know I made a few mistakes in it when I went to print it out and stuff. So this is just some added stuff I added to it because I didn't have time to type it all out at the library because I printed it out from there. Or printed out what I could and then wrote the rest later in pen. Anyway, to try to go back to what I was saying before, this is the the idea that I had was that if chaos happened, that in a general sense, as a general whole of chaos and things, the order of the structure of the universe got all screwed up, and it could implode in itself and spit out a universe that would be in complete darkness. I don't know how true that is, but it's possible. I'm not an astrophysicist, so I really have nothing to lose if I'm wrong. But but anyway, if the order of the universe got all messed up, and then shit would go bad. Pardon my French, but that's such a corny saying. I don't know why we even say that. But then anyway, so that's that, man. And here's try to get my phone to this thing keeps shaking. Let's see. So here's another. Here's the drawing, the original drawing I did of it. Here's the drawing I had, and basically right here is basically the same thing I printed out, typed out in Word at the library. The universe in theory rotates in spherical flashes of light, so gravity and anti-gravity are not completely symmetrical for reason of order. In theory, there exists a possibility of chaos, and if the force of gravity and magnetic field pull can implode the universe, then all matter would be destroyed, and the energy would spit out a universe that would be in complete darkness. So, like I said, I don't know how. Alright, let me stop babbling. But anyway, I used to also come up with little ideas on my calculator that I would save on my USB drive, but in this case, I just went and typed it from scratch. I mean, not from scratch, but from the paper that I had, this paper right here in front of you. So anyway, I only, with my limited knowledge of physics, I tried to give it a best shot. So I don't know how true the theory is, but it is a theory. And the universe is an interesting thing. well, no one will ever know as a whole, because, not in this lifetime, what the, of the universe, ultimate universe. We can know things about it, like space does expand, the space that we see, and the universe as the universe, the space around us does expand, and the universe expands. We know that. Okay, yes, sure, that's true. But I don't. Me personally, I do believe in a creator. But